Hello guys. Sure, credit cards are generally a dime a dozen, but once in a while you hear about cards on the opposite end, spoken about in hushed tones and rarely seen in person. So in today's video, we're gonna talk to show you the top most expensive credit cards in the US. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and click on the notification all for more amazing facts, and do leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's begin the video. On number 10, it's the Luxury Card MasterCard Gold Card. You can apply for the Luxury Card MasterCard Gold Card without an invitation, unlike many of the other cards we have mentioned. With 54 patents issued globally, Luxury Card leads the industry in metal card design and construction by combining advanced technology and design principles to create durability and distinction. But it has a high barrier to entry that's merely due to its pricing. It costs around $995 a year, double the price of most premium travel cards and more expensive than more invitee-only cards. Front placed with 24-karat gold, the card offers access to the luxury card consignee and perks like global luggage delivery, chauffeur transportation and airport representatives who can fast track you through customs. You will also enjoy premium travel benefits like airline credits, airport lounge access and a $100 credit for your global entry to TSA free check application. On to number 9 is the Santander Unlimited Black Card. To understand this is the product of Brazilian Santander Group offers to its elite private banking customers. This card is only issued to private bank members and features a limit correlated to assets within the bank. This card is extremely exclusive in Latin America with only about 2,000 to 3,000 cards in circulation. For approximately around $275 annually, the card offers high flexible spending limits, 24/7 consignee service, lounge key membership, travel insurance, MasterCard airport consignee, and special experience at fine hotels and restaurants. The Merrill Lynch Octave Black Card is on number 8 in the top 10 credit cards in US. Made of black metal and sporting an American Express logo, the Merrill Lynch Octave Black Card is an invitation-only card that caters to the America's highest bank net worth clients. Cardholders pay nearly around $950 in annual fees and reportedly enjoy such perks as no per-set credit limit, 2.5x points on all eligible purchase, and annual $350 travel credit on Delta Sky Club executive membership, private jet savings, and access to airport consignees. There is no maximum spending limit for the cardholders. It's Stratus Rewards Visa on number 7. Fondly called the white card, the Stratus Reward Visa is often seen as the definitive card for jet setters. To get it, you need a referral from an existing card member or a Stratus Reward partner company before you are even considered for an executive invitation. It is rumored that one must spend at least $2 lakh a year with the card to remain a member. Another interesting feature according to the rumor is that you can pool your points with friends, meaning you could all chip into a private jet ride together. And if you'd like, you can redeem your rewards for a personal consultation with a famed lifestyle experts. At $1,500 a year, this card gives us access to personal consignee service, discounted chartered flights, complimentary card service, luxury hotel upgrades, special events, and exclusive gift bags. It's Eurasian Diamond Card Visa Infinite on number 6 on the top 10 expensive credit cards in US. Another Kazakhstan gem, the Eurasian Bank Diamond Card Visa Infinite is an elite product you can apply for. The striking black card features an inlaid gold ornament with a 0.02 carat diamond centerpiece, and you can obtain it only through recommendation by the bank's management board or 2 existing card holders. Annual card fees range from $1,50,000 to $4,50,000 Kazakhstan teenage, roughly around $395 to $1,185, depending on your balance with the Eurasian Bank. Top consignee companies ensure that the world is at your fingertips, offering exclusive hotel bookings, visa services, private plane arrangements, translation service, butler service, and much more. On to number 5 is the Superbank Visa Infinite Gold Card. If pure gold isn't enough, how about throwing in mother of pearl and 26 diamonds? Issued by Kazakhstan outfit Sberbank to only 100 of its top clients initially, this Visa Infinite card cost a neat $1 lakh upfront. Of this money, an unheard of $65,000 goes to minting the card. The other $35,000 is directed to your account. On 20 top of the initiation fees, you would be another $2,000 for an annual fee. If you get the card, you will have the pleasure of owning a solid gold status symbol. Enjoy $250,000 of life and health insurance, 24/7 consignee service, and a personal manager at Sberbank. Get VIP access to the luxury vacation and the world's finest golf courses. And if you forget to pay your card bill while jetting around the world, rest easy knowing the card has no late fees. Coming on to number 4 is the CoutShield credit card. Owned by the Royal Bank of Scotland, Cout surveys high net worth clients exclusively. Its prospective clients questionnaire gets us straight to business. At one point, it asks whether you will bring investable assets to Couts totaling more than around £1 million. If you are wealthy enough to become a Couts client, you can apply for the CoutShield credit card. On to number 3 is the Dubai First Royal Mastercard. Embedded with a 0.235 carat diamond at its center and trimmed with gold, this elaborate card in Dubai first exclusive offering to the UAE royalty and the region's high net worth individuals. The card is by invitee only, and you may be ineligible even if you're an ultra wealthy. The initiation fees is 700 UAE dirham, roughly around $1,900. It has a few of the benefits that are standard in most credit cards, which may not matter to those wealthy enough to receive it. Not hampered by the credit limit, you could reportedly buy a yacht on a whim if you would like. And with 24/7 access to what the bank bills as Royal Lifestyle Management, complete with dedicated lifestyle manager, you can connect to virtually without anything you deserve. On to number 2 is the JP Morgan Reserve Card. This card is made by palladium, a silver white chemical element that valued around $1,295 an ounce, rivals gold in cost. It is offered by invitation only to JP Morgan's top clients. You must have at least $10 million in assets under the management by JP Morgan Private Bank. For a $595 annual fee, this card offers unlimited access to a selected airport lounges, 3x points on travel and dining, a $300 annual travel credit, a credit for your global entry or TSA pre-check application, and a suite of premium travel protection. You will get 24/7 direct access to a dedicated customer service specialist, and you can breathe easy when making extravagant purchases, as they are covered for 120 days against theft or damage for up to $10,000 per claim. On to number 1 is the Centurion card from American Express. Known as the Black Card, the Centurion card from American Express is an exclusive card issued by invitation only. To be invited, you reportedly must have spent and paid off at least $250,000 across your Amex account in a single year. To join this exclusive club of Centurion card members, you need to pay around $7,500 initiation fees, and the card itself comes such as $2,500 annual fee. The card has no preset spending limit and gives you access to a personal consignee who can fulfill any request you want of your dream. It also offers luxury perks that Amex takes great pains not to advertise. Exclusive treatment at best in best class, Centurion airport lounges, world-class surprise gifts, reservation at 1,000 of the world's best restaurant, and a suite of luxury travel benefits. So in World's Top 10, that's it for today. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will be back with some more mind-blowing facts in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon and click on the notification all for more awesome facts and stories. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.